Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for your long-term health: how to prevent stomach cancer. With proper knowledge and some simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your risk. So let's get started. Let us first clarify what we are discussing. Gastric cancer, another name for stomach cancer, usually starts in the stomach's lining cells. It frequently grows slowly and might be hard to find in its early stages. Nonetheless, early detection and prevention can be greatly aided by being aware of the risk factors and warning indicators. Some common symptoms include unexplained weight loss, persistent stomach pain, nausea, and loss of appetite. If you're experiencing any of these, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider. Dietary changes are one of the best strategies to reduce your risk of stomach cancer. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains has been linked to a lower risk of stomach cancer, according to studies. Why? Due to the fact that these foods are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can shield the stomach lining from dangerous substances. Try incorporating more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts into your meals. Also, don't forget about foods high in vitamin C, like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. Vitamin C is known to inhibit the formation of harmful compounds in the stomach that could lead to cancer. Let us now discuss what you ought to stay away from. Pickled foods and meats that have been processed or smoked have been associated with a higher risk of stomach cancer. These meals frequently include nitrates and nitrites, which in your stomach can combine to generate chemicals that cause cancer. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Reducing the amount of salt you consume is another crucial element. An excessively salty diet can harm the stomach lining, increasing the risk of cancer. Rather than grabbing the salt shaker, try seasoning your dish using herbs and spices. And of course, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Both of these habits are major risk factors for not just stomach cancer, but many other types of cancer as well. If you have other risk factors or a family history of stomach cancer, routine screening could save your life. Doctors might examine your stomach during endoscopic procedures to look for any unusual growths or early indicators of cancer. The likelihood of a successful outcome from treatment increases with early detection. Talk to your doctor about when you should start screening, particularly if you're over 50 or have a history of stomach ulcers, Helicobacter pylori infection, or a family history of stomach cancer. Your stomach's health can be significantly impacted by stress. Prolonged stress raises the chance of stomach diseases, including cancer, by causing inflammation and other digestive difficulties. Regular physical activity, deep breathing exercises, and meditation are stress reduction strategies that can help maintain the health of your stomach and general well-being. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for preventing stomach cancer. Probiotics, found in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, can help keep the balance of good bacteria in your stomach. This balance is essential for a healthy digestive system and can lower your cancer risk. To maintain the health of your gut, think about include a serving of foods high in probiotics in your diet every day. Engaging in routine physical activity is another important strategy to avoid stomach cancer. Exercise strengthens your immune system, lowers inflammation, and aids in maintaining a healthy weight, all of which are associated with a decreased risk of cancer. Try to incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise into your routine most days of the week. Even something as simple as a daily walk can make a big difference. Making wise decisions about what you eat, how you handle stress, and how active you are the main ways to prevent stomach cancer. Never forget that taking care of your gut health is something you should do at any time of the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Together, we can take steps to live longer, healthier lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: this publication serves purely as an informational resource and should not be construed as a substitute for professional medical advice. For health-related concerns, it is strongly recommended that individuals seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. While every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information provided, the publisher bears no responsibility for errors or omissions.